इसको मैं ऐसा उठा के डाल सकती हूँ। गुस्से में मुझे कुछ ऐसा करके चलो मैं तो बोल यार आयुष
Why is there a pile of clothes in the bedroom? और ये किचन कितना गंदा पड़ा है. Samaira, please clean it all before you go.
I cannot do it right now. Okay, I'm so late. I am not staying back.
Someone just had an accident.
आकृति तुम कहाँ पे हो? So how are you doing right now? Akriti, it's okay if you don't want to talk about it. We understand.
I was just looking at our photos yesterday, proposal ones, and everything looked so beautiful. We were so happy. But then over the years, things just changed. Everything just kind of slipped away from our hands. He wanted different things. I wanted different things. He needed different things. I needed different things. Eventually, we had so many problems that we started living separately. But now that I think about it, we could have made it work. We could have worked through them. I can't stop thinking about our last conversation. I shouldn't have said that.
What did you say to him?
Shut up! No, you shut up! You know what? Just leave. I can't stand the sight of you anymore.
I don't feel like talking about it anymore.
एक मिनट इधर आना please.
Tell me, how have you been?
I'm fine.
How are things with you and Ayush? Are you guys still going ahead with the divorce?
We are.
But what really changed?
Akriti, can you please come here?
But what really changed?
आयुष, मैंने फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी रीडिंग भरा. Ayush, I'm talking to you. Yeah, come on, can you please keep that phone aside?
मैंने तुम्हें पहली बार में सुन लिया था. दिख नहीं रहा मैं कुछ important कर रहा हूँ. Please don't bother me right now.
So now I am the one who's bothering you.
Everything that you do bothers me. From the mess you've created in this house to the mess you've created in my life.
I have created a mess in your life. You're the one who's barely around. For the past months, all you've done is talk about your work. Have you put any effort into our relationship?
I don't put efforts into this relationship. तो electricity bill तुम्हारे पास है, जो करना है कर.
Ayush!
अरे संडे सुबह सुबह कौन आ गया?
मॉम किधर है?
मॉम तो वही संडे दोस्तों के साथ मॉल गई है. ए इतना गुस्सा करेगा ना तो तेरी नाक फूल जाएगी. अच्छा चल बता क्या हुआ?
क्या मैं इतनी सी भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता मेरी वाइफ से? I mean, it's bad enough कि मेरी कंपनी ऑलरेडी लॉस पे है एंड मेरी बॉस हमें ब्लेम कर रही है एंड all she cares about is that I'm not putting enough efforts into this relationship.
पर क्या उससे पता है कि तेरी नौकरी खतरे में है?
I mean, मैंने उसे बताया तो है कि हमारी जो कंपनी लॉस पे है, so शायद.
यार क्या कर रही है? तेरे को बैडमिंटन खेलने नहीं आता? कब से शॉट इधर उधर मार रही है?
तू भी कोई अच्छे से प्रोफेशनल की तरह नहीं खेल रही है. जब देखो तब तेरा शटल इधर उधर जाते रहता है.
तो तेरे को भागने को नहीं होता?
प्लीज शट अप.
प्लीज बच्चों चुप हो जाओ. एक दूसरे को ब्लेम करते रहोगे तो तुम कभी नहीं खेल पाओगे. एक दूसरे की गलतियों से सीखो, तभी तुम अच्छे से खेल सकते हो.
You know, I can't take this anymore. I'm so tired, but I'm so scared that I lose him.
I want to talk to her. I want to communicate with her. मुझे उससे बात करनी है उस पे चिल्लाए बगैर. But I'm scared. I'm scared.
I need your help, yaar.
Please help कर दे यार.
सबसे पहले मुझे ये बता, how do you feel when you talk to her?
All this time, I just think that we can have a normal conversation for once. But it leads to arguments every time. And I'm just so afraid that I'll say something wrong and I'll lose him forever.
I understand what you mean, Samantha. Sometimes we let our emotions get the best of us and then end up saying things that we regret.
How do I understand these emotions, yaar? It's like, I don't even know what I'm doing.
First of all, accept how you're feeling. Running away from it is basically denying what you're feeling. Strong emotions है तो भी accept कर ले. End of the day, you're a human being.
But accepting my emotions isn't really going to help. मुझे डर लगता है कि मैं खुद को hurt कर बैठूंगा और मुझे समझ भी नहीं पाएगी.
Why don't you try to take a step back and look from the other perspective? तो थोड़ा उसकी साइड से भी सोच के देखना.
I feel like we used to do that. But अब वो सुनती ही कहाँ है.
मगर उसके लिए भी तो उतना ही मुश्किल रहा होगा ना.
Things have changed so much. We can't even look at each other and have a normal conversation. It's all about work for him these days. And it feels like he puts barely any effort into our relationship. He has changed so much.
But did you expect him to stay the same? And would you really want to be with someone who never changes or grows? Maybe even you've changed. but haven't noticed it.
Maybe we have changed, but there is no spark anymore. It feels like the love that we had is not the same anymore.
You know, love isn't about feeling the same way all the time. It's like how you love your job. You keep going back to it, even if it's been difficult for you. I think the same can be applied to your relationship as well.
I realized that a little late, maybe a little too late. What I understood was we were trying to find the spark that we had in the beginning. But what I understand now is that every long-lasting relationship is going to have a moment like this.
A moment where two people have to decide, do we fight for this or do we walk away? And a choice you think that won't make you regret this when you're old and when you look back to this day.
A lot of the times we blame ourselves or even others for the mistakes that we make. But sometimes it can just be accidents that happen in the heat of the moment.
And it's alright if mistakes happen. You're allowed to make mistakes. You should learn from them and come out better, stronger.
Ayush, I want to talk to you about a divorce.
But before you say something, can I talk to you? I am aware that lately I've been talking a lot about my work, but what I've not been mentioning explicitly is that मैं मेरी job खो सकता हूँ. And I know that this is no reason to take our relationship for granted, but
Ayush, मेरी भी तो गलती थी ना. I couldn't see you struggling right in front of me. I should have been more understanding towards you, and I should have made you comfortable enough that you could talk to me about it, but now that I know, I will try my best to help you get through this. And I also want to apologize for not being much of a help around the house. I mean, with everything going around, I just couldn't take care of myself. I couldn't understand what was going through. And I just couldn't take care of this mess inside of me, and I don't know how I could have done with the house.
even I am sorry for not being able to see that you were going through all this alone. And I apologize for constantly pressuring you to do things alone. I know that I don't feel the same to you, and our relationship doesn't feel the same to you. But now I understand that it's my fault, and I'm willing to work on this relationship together with you.
I mean, it's us, Ayush. We've always been a team. And I really want to grow from this experience and explore this life with you.
I have realized that relationships require teamwork, not just from one person, but from both. Same goes for the mistakes people make. We cannot always do everything perfectly and expect others to do everything perfectly either. In fact, it's about making mistakes together and then having the ability to lift each other up and move forward.
Thank you.